In ArcGIS Pro, we often work with NDVI images to analyze vegetation health. To make your NDVI maps visually appealing and consistent, you can create a custom color scheme and save it as a style so it can be reused in future projects. Let's go step by step to see how this can be done. Right-click on your NDVI image, click Symbology, click the bottom arrow button next to Color Scheme, and click Color Scheme Properties. Here we will add multiple colors using this Add Color button. When you click once, it will add a new color. I have prepared an NDVI color palette with color codes. I will share these color codes with you so that you can easily copy and paste. Here we have used 17 colors to visualize different features. Let's copy the first color code and click on the first color stop. Then click color, go to color properties and paste the code. Okay. We can also check in evenly distribute color stops. So when we add a new color, it will automatically evenly distribute it like this. Now let's go to second stop and copy the light brown. Go to color properties, paste. Okay. Now third one. We already have defined all 17 colors. Now let's remove extra stops. For NDVI color scheme, make sure your color scheme type is continuous color scheme. Now let's save to a style, name it NDVI and OK. Let's click OK. This way you can create your custom color scheme. Now if we go to Symbology again, select color scheme and show names, we will find the color scheme that we have saved. Thanks for watching.